So in January of 2020, I was teaching my fourth year medical virology course, and I was aware that there was this new respiratory virus that was infecting people in China and spreading rather quickly. And so as a class, we would watch this red dot in China get bigger and bigger, and then these new red dots were showing up in all these other countries, and we kept asking, when is it going to show up in Canada?
We've always said there's a pandemic-level virus out there. It's going to happen again. And we've seen examples, and I think we got overconfident. We had SARS that was controlled. We had another coronavirus, MERS, Middle Eastern Respiratory Syndrome, that was controlled. And I think we've assumed that we can control things, and we've realized that we can't.
One Health, to me, is a collaborative approach among multiple disciplines as well as other societal actors, so community members, potentially politicians, those in industries, and essentially looking at complex or wicked problems that occur at the intersection of human, animal, and environmental health.
Zoonotic infections are a prime example of the One Health concept. We are destroying habitat, and that means that humans and animals are coming into closer contact.
This pandemic's also shown how we need this broad intersector approach to infectious diseases. It can't just be medicine and veterinary medicine, and it can't just be science. It has to be social science, it's behavior.
I found the University of Guelph to be extraordinarily collaborative. One Health has really taken leadership out of the veterinary field. We have, the agricultural college, strong biological sciences, strong environmental focus, and then really strong social science, which is incredibly important when we think about the entire One Health approach. I think if we reflect on the entire situation with the pandemic and embrace a One Health approach in our pandemic preparedness, we can be prepared for the next one.